Arecanut, also known as betelnut, is the seed of the areca palm and is widely consumed in many Asian countries for its stimulant properties. The cultivation of arecanut is not only for its nut, but it also generates various byproducts that can be utilized in different industries, leading to the establishment of a potentially lucrative arecanut byproducts business. Arecanut husk. Arecanut husk, the outer covering of the nut, is a valuable byproduct used in the creation of biodegradable products like packaging materials, ropes, and mats. By converting husk into usable products, the arecanut byproducts business not only reduces waste but also provides an alternative to non-biodegradable materials. Arecanut leaves. The leaves of the arecanut palm can be utilized to make plates, bowls, and cups, serving as an eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic and styrofoam products. The use of arecanut leaves in disposable products helps reduce the environmental impact of single-use items, promoting sustainability. Arecanut stems. Stems of the arecanut palm can be employed in the creation of handicrafts, furniture, and even as fuel. The utilization of arecanut stems in traditional crafts not only adds value to the business but also preserves cultural practices and promotes local craftsmanship. Additional points. Arecanut husk can be used to make organic compost and as fuel. Arecanut leaves can be used to make compost or directly as green manure. After removing arecanuts from the bunch stem can be used as green mulch. The cover of the arecanut flower can be fed to cattle. Pickles can be made from arecanut. Furthermore, areca tea, derived from the areca plant, is already available in the market, providing a unique beverage option. Conclusion. The arecanut byproducts business presents a sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to utilizing every part of the arecanut palm. This business model aligns with the growing global consciousness towards sustainable practices and can serve as a model for other agricultural industries to minimize waste and maximize utility. As the demand for eco-friendly alternatives continues to rise, the arecanut byproducts business stands poised for growth and recognition as a responsible and profitable venture. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.